What you can also do is you can generate AI images and then insert them to your projects directly inside of Polotno Studio as well. So to do that, you need to go around under AI generated, and over here on the top, you need to click on generate over here. Once you do that, you get 10 credits over here, as you can see, for AI image generation, and you can type in the image generation prompt right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say a dog eating candy right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and say a dog eating candy and click on generate. So let's see what we get right here. So you can see that it is generating out the image right here, and you got 9 credits, and there you go, there's dog eating candy over here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around over here and add in another prompt like in retro style right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and add that in right here, let's see what pops up right here. So you can see that this is what you have in retro style, but there's no dog right here. So I'm just going to go around and then retry this, and not in retro style, but in 8-bit style. So let's just go around and try that in right here and click on generate over here, just like this. So you can see it's a dog eating candy in 8-bit style, and there you go, there's like an 8-bit style dog right here. So I'm just going to in 3D render. So let's just go around and try that in as well. And once you do that, what happens is that you get a different style image right here, just like this. So you can see that it is more like a 3D render now, just like this. As let's just go around and try as well as in pencil sketch style right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and generate, and then you'll be able to see it in that particular style right here. So pencil sketch style, and there's the dog eating candy right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see, and that is how you can generate out AI images and directly insert them out on your project inside of Polotno Studio to speed up your workflow and to get many images as you want for your project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.